Walk into any Spanish restaurant without panic. Learn 10 words to order, eat, and pay like a local. From the menu to the bill, we cover the whole meal. Number 1, the first thing you ask for.
La carta.
This is the menu. Menu often means the set meal deal.
¿Me trae la carta, por favor?
Number 2, the small dishes you start with.
El entrante.
This means the starter or appetizer.
De entrante quiero una ensalada mixta.
Number 3, the heart of your order.
El plato principal.
This means the main course or main dish.
El plato principal es pollo con arroz.
Number 4, the polite way to order.
Quisiera.
This means I would like softer than quiero.
Quisiera la sopa del día, por favor.
Number 5, do not forget your drink.
La bebida.
This means the drink or beverage.
¿Qué bebida quiere con la comida?
Number 6, save money with this phrase.
Agua del grifo.
This means tap water, usually free in Spain.
¿Me pone agua del grifo, por favor?
Number 7, leave room for this.
El postre.
This means the dessert.
De postre quiero un flan casero.
Number 8, this phrase keeps you safe.
Soy alérgico.
This means I am allergic. Women say allergica.
Soy alérgico a los frutos secos.
Number 9, how to wrap up the meal.
La cuenta.
This means the bill or check.
La cuenta, por favor, cuando pueda.
Number 10, the final touch.
La propina.
This means the tip, optional but appreciated.
Voy a dejar una propina para el camarero.
There's your full restaurant toolkit, one more time.
La carta del entrante, el plato principal, quisiera, la bebida, agua del grifo, el postre, soy alérgico, la cuenta, la propina.
Follow for a daily Spanish lesson and travel with confidence. Next up, 10 Spanish false friends that trick beginners. See you there.